Everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fill out IRS Schedule A, also known as Itemized Deductions. So this form is used if you want to list specific expenses instead of taking the standard deduction. It can help lower your taxable income if your total deductions are higher than the standard amount. At the top of the form, start by entering your name and social security number just like it appears on your main tax return. Now let's go section by section. So first is medical and dental expenses. Enter the total amount that you paid for qualified medical expenses, then follow the steps shown, including multiplying your income by the percentage listed and subtracting it. So this helps determine how much you can actually deduct. Next is your taxes that you paid. So in here you can include state and local taxes. You'll choose between income taxes or sales taxes, not both. Then add any real estate taxes and personal property taxes. Add everything together and apply the limit shown on the form. And after that is the interest that you paid. So this includes mortgage interest and points. If you received Form 1098, enter the amount in the correct line. Add all the interest amounts together, then move to gifts to charity. Enter any donations made by cash or other items. And if the donation is large, follow the instructions provided. Next is casualty and theft losses. So followed by other itemized deductions. Only include this if they apply. And finally, add everything from all sections to get your total itemized deductions. Transfer the total to your main tax form. And that is it. Just follow each line carefully and double check your numbers before submitting. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.